Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Afternoon English News with Himavati Kumbantabam. First, the headlines. Combined team of security forces, Forest Department along with Executive Magistrate destroy approximately 8 acres of poppy plantations at Sadim Hill Range under Senapati Police Station. And Commandant of CRPF Langjing Group Center, Namarapam Kunjarani, emphasizes on importance of health, reiterating age-old phrase, health is wealth. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Combined team of security forces, Forest Department along with Executive Magistrate destroyed approximately 8 acres of poppy plantations at Sadim Hill Range under Senapati Police Station in Senapati District on February 24. 2 makeshift huts, pipes for irrigation, a spray pump and a water container found at the site were also destroyed. Commandant of CRPF Langjing Group Center, Namarapam Kunjarani, has emphasized on importance of health by reiterating the age-old phrase, health is wealth. Kunjarani was speaking during opening ceremony of College Week of Rajkumari Sanatombi Devi College of Education at the campus located at Asha Jina Complex today. Principal of R.K. Sanatombi Devi College of Education, Dr. Premavati, advisor of the college, Dr. K.H. Ajit, along with teachers and students of the college, attended the program. Speaking further, Kunjarani encouraged students to pursue sports and healthy lifestyle as they are the pillars for future.
Sports, Mariji amane sports ka media chang ko lari te bujori amane khudi makta is and the kana ko ji body relation mind ki khudi makta loi bang sports ha je yam dina mari lene kari no abda ko ji isaji bhadraga di aina woni ba ja doctor engineer anything aina hek pam ko khudi makta aina isaji bhadraga di aina pam ko thaba do pam ko moy sports service na ai professional amar na chakre aina woge hai na si aina imangda padma shri ma hoina olympian ma hoina commandant ma hoina sai chum lepak ba masi phangna bala na da ai hapchang thoba bisina khwaidagi phabalani hapchang pharabadi koi kurima leiriba kurima ge amana nang pasu amana kari mama ba ga kuchu kuna taba mi bisalaga targa man haibisi kari na je thanda budi engonda yamna strength phangani masi ai experience na ai jabni aduga discipline haibisi amna darkar wa.
On the other hand, Principal of R.K. Sanatombi Devi College of Education, Dr. T.H. Premavati, maintained that the College Week is being organized with the aim to provide platform to students so they can showcase their skills and talents. While emphasizing on the importance of participation, Principal Premavati expressed confidence that the College Week will be able to bring unity and bonding among students. 4 houses will be competing in various competitions, including singing, classical and folk dances during the College Week.
Let this week be celebration of talent, friendship, creativity and positive energy. Remember, winning is important, but participation, learning and experience are far more valuable.
Security forces on February 24 recovered a cache of arms, ammunition and protective equipment from Nungai Hill Range area under Sagolmang Police Station in Imphal East District during a search operation. The recovered items included 1 country-made rifle, 1 country-made 9mm pistol with magazine, 1 HE-36 hand grenade, 5 rounds of .303 ammunition, 1 bulletproof jacket fitted with 2 metal plates, 1 magazine pouch, 2 bulletproof helmets and 3 slings. Police sources said the seized materials have been taken into custody and further investigation is underway to trace their source and possible links. Security forces arrested 3 cadres of People's Liberation Army (PLA) and 1 cadre of People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak (Pre-Pak Pro) from the general area between border pillars 72 and 73 at Yangobung under More Police Station in Technopole District on February 24. The arrested individuals have been identified as Chalamba Takhelambam, 23 of Takhelmaka Lekai, Imphal East, Sograpum Ojit, 33 of Yangangpopi, Imphal East, Sorokhaibam Manimatum, 18 of Chairin Makhalekai, Kakching District, all PLA cadres, and Yambim Lukhoi, 21 of Nongmibung, Imphal East, Pre-Pak Pro. In a separate operation on February 23, security forces also arrested an active Pre-Pak cadre, Sagosem John Singh, 43 of Thobal Haukamamang Lekai, Thobal District, from his locality and seized 1 mobile phone along with 2 SIM cards and a 2-wheeler from his possession. On the same day, another active Pre-Pak cadre, Sorokhaibam Inautun Singh, alias Nojan, 39 of Lamsang Thongmaning, Imphal West District, was arrested from his residence under Lamsang Police Station, and a mobile phone with a SIM card was recovered from him. Unknown persons placed a bomb inside Manipur University campus today, sparking panic among students and teachers. The bomb, suspected to have been placed last night, was found just a few meters away from the main gate near the traffic island within the campus. A paper was also found near the bomb threatening action against corrupt teachers in teacher recruitment, along with the word KCP. Police have registered a case and launched an investigation, but details about the incident remain unclear. Proscribed Revolutionary People's Front observed Independence Demand Day, marking its 47th Foundation Day across Manipur and at various PLA units, departments and stations outside the state. Divisions under RPF's Central Bureau also took part in the observance along with the public, with flags, festoons and stars displayed at different locations. The main function was marked by RPF President MM Ngoba paying homage to the party's flag and to those who had sacrificed for the cause of the motherland, while extending greetings to the people of Manipur. In a press note, RPF Deputy Secretary Publicity Robin Kuman, highlighting the Foundation Day message, wished for peaceful coexistence among all communities in Manipur and urged collective strength to move forward for the cause of the motherland and achieve success. Eighth Foundation Day celebration of Nongmibung Chakram Leirak Development Committee (NCLDC) was held today at Multi-Utility Park, Nongmibung Chakram Leirak, Imphal East. The event was graced by Wangkhai Constituency MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar, NCLDC Chairman Chakram Rupachandra and Eastern Students Club, Nongmibung President Wahingbam Isur Chandra as the main dignitaries. Addressing the gathering, MLA Arun Kumar highlighted the collective responsibility of youth and seniors in local progress and praised the unity of the localities in developmental works and social cause. While expressing hope that the construction of rigid pavement and IVR repairing will be done smoothly and to high standards, he urged residents to monitor the quality of the work.
Lekai ama phawaibasi lekai du leidiba halaman sing lekai du leidiba youth sing mai mel sing mayam dugi amakha pole ayang paligi lambi sengma pagi matang si am dispute amadi leire masi loina akhoi gi marakta misunderstanding amadi leinare PWD da ma haini PhD na ma haini aduna moi ga dum famin raga akhoi solve tawna badi hona jari ngahansu jeminjina PWD ga hangnara kan da moina chaliba drain si yam mapung phade lakadu bising ge flow siga masi volume siga yam tina chanara roi masi kamai tawsiga hai kan da moina phongdok pe matuna di hauji City Hana drain Sulay Lam the Bazagada, Lamsing Cross Torgal and Bazagada, Chanmani, Araba, idea Tanil, Arabo Sangduda, Irong, Arabo Sangduda, doing Chelaga, for returning side Torga program. Sitang Matam the Changan and the Modmanisu, Tame, Aduga, Honorable CM Nayamatam the High Sea, Minister Expansion Silversi to Magi, Concerned Minister, do Torkanda, Kendrigi, Development Togo, Torum Mayamsi, Loina Pakalasi and Namanadwana Tamadunamasic Expansion, Matam Kitan Nizabani, Aduga Maru and Lambigi Karigi drain. Nakangi Kadikrasity, rigid payment, I am a loy always. At the rigid payment, Sika mind together, Loy Namakamatam Chan to Wungam Dishina, Mogi machinery siga, main power siga, yam what.
A day-long cultural conference on One Manipur, Our Food, Our Identity, Our Culture was jointly organized by Irawat Foundation Manipur, All Manipur Ethnical Socio-Cultural Organization and All Manipur Arts and Culture Students Union at USAC Community Hall in Kagwa Lilando Ground today. President of IFM, K. Gopen Duang, President of AMESCO, Wahingbam Chinglemba, President of Amaksu, S. Abung Sharma, Editor of Sanalaybag, Ningumbam Nimul attended the program, which was also marked by various cultural events. Speaking in the program, IFM President K. Gopen highlighted the historical and cultural significance attached to indigenous cuisine and food items of Manipur. He also stressed on the need to maintain cultural and traditional purity while carrying out rituals such as marriages and not to mix up or amalgamate other cultures into them.
Irepak iramdam ama nungsiba natraga manaba khunai ama porokna bohanabada khoi chin khaktana lawbu nataba thabak oina khak atopa maikei da tawbu nataba khoi gi nungsina na Manipur gi apunba unity ama sagatna bohanaba aduga Manipur gi apunba khoi saktam ama ngangna na bohanabada khoi gi leijariba khoi gi chinjak aduga khoi gi culture aduga khoi gi identity mayam singse punamak sagona raga sanga kanda masigumba gi kaino ama khak sangi habdo khoi na sena thajajar kanda ngasi program si sinjabani aduga maroina akhoi gi chinjak sida thaina gi oiba ipaipu singna thambiramba puwari gi oiba bari mayam ama yauduna salli amaga taisanaba yabdabagi phubam ama lerakpaje masi akoina through akoi gi foods culture aduga identity sigi guthangda Manipur si amatani haibagi kholawdo ngasi event amakhakta natabida history moina puwari moina lehongna namagi khongthang moina ngasi dagi khoi sugumba cultural influence se pangthok sabani haina sumana thamjage.
Now, before we move on, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You're watching SKTV Afternoon English News. More news and updates. World Meetei Council WMC has announced that it will organize its 6th plenary session 2026 Imphal MIFAM on April 19, Sunday at Imphal, under the theme Aikoigi Laibag Aikoina Simjabani Aikoi Karitaubatai, calling upon Meeteis across the globe to unite and work collectively for a secure and prosperous future. Stating that the community, with an estimated population of around 18 lakhs worldwide, stands at a critical crossroads due to growing challenges and changing socio-political dynamics. The Council emphasized the need for enlightened leadership, mutual understanding and coordinated action to strengthen unity and social bonding. WMC also expressed concern over demographic changes in Manipur over the past 4 decades and their far-reaching implications, while reiterating that the demand for inclusion of Meiteis in the Scheduled Tribes list under the Constitution of India remains its top priority. A resolution first adopted at Guwahati MIFAM 2021 and reaffirmed in Delhi MIFAM 2022, Suknu MIFAM 2023 and Binagandi MIFAM 2024, and has invited members and guests from within and outside Manipur, including abroad, to attend a historic session and inform the convener in advance for necessary arrangements. Deputy Commissioner of Jiribam has notified that applications for appointment of administrative committees for various Gram Panchayats in Jiribam district have been received up to the last date of submission on February 24 as per the earlier notice issued on February 16 under the provisions of Manipur Panchayat Raj Act 1994. The notification stated that the applications received pertain to the Gram Panchayats of Hilghat, Dibong, Sonapur, Jakuradhor, Borobekra and Latinkhal, and the details have been officially recorded by the DC office for further necessary action. Kangleipak Students Association KSA has alleged Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Narim Lokendra, of engaging in nepotism during recruitment process for non-teaching staff recruitment in the university. In a press note issued by Secretary HRD Sinam James, KSA accused MU Vice Chancellor of favoring candidates who are from his family and close aides in recruitment of junior assistant, for which the result was declared on February 23. KSA alleged that one of the selected candidates, Jiribam Joshua, is the brother of Vice Chancellor's daughter-in-law Jiribam Sabrina. Further, KSA has alleged misconduct and corruption in the recruitment of Group B and C non-teaching post, stenographer and MTS post for the university. While alleging that the recruitment was conducted through unapproved CRR, KSA has informed that a case has been submitted in High Court of Manipur against the alleged malpractices carried out by Vice Chancellor of MU and his accomplices during the recruitment. Kuman United Clubs and Meitei Council Association KUMCA Mayang Imphal has issued warning against any malpractices during Class 10, 11 and 12 examinations being conducted at centers within Mayang Imphal. Speaking in this regard, Secretary of Kukma Women Wing, Thangjam Rebecca Lema stated that the large gathering of people and traffic jams have been reported near examination centers in Mayang Imphal area and asserted that these create a non-conducive environment for students to write their exams peacefully. Kukma further warned against individuals who indulge in malpractices during the conduct of the examination. On the other hand, President of Kukma Women Wing Asim Memcha has urged people of Mayang Imphal to carry out Thabal Chomba till midnight and not beyond that, considering the volatile situation of the state. She also urged those engaged in Thabal Chomba to maintain decorum and to participate by wearing only traditional dresses.
Class 10, 11, and 12 examination Mayang Imphal the school sing the environment Kongban Sienbagi, Sugumba, Amna, Yang, Bada, traffic jam, Lamida, the Gimi, and Kochan, Lang, Banupian. Yaksang Kumay, Madonna, the Hoxing as hair, Kudaki, Nasi, Mishagi, Kudaki, Lepi, Wapam, Yang Tanjari, TP exam, the subject Amagi, question lick, or have given Matanga, Kuman, Halki, Computer Center, Mapa, Nothing, Bagi, and what to go to Curse later. Adona, Sigma Hoxing there, with Mamma, Palna, Quiggy, Sukimatic Kana, Quiggy, the Widanaba, the Torotanaba, Quig, Hanana Manda, Hazadi.
As part of the ongoing press tour organized by Press Information Bureau PIB Imphal, a media delegation from Manipur visited National Institute for Rubber Training NIRT at Kottayam, Kerala on February 24. The delegation was welcomed by Rubber Production Commissioner Dr. Siju T, Director Training NIRT Priya Verma and other officials who briefed them on the main functions of Rubber Board, highlighting that India remains a rubber deficient country. During the interaction, officials explained the board's major divisions, including rubber production, research, training, market promotion and labor welfare, and held an interactive session addressing queries from the delegation. The delegation was further apprised of rubber growing regions across India with special focus on the northeast, including Manipur, and ongoing convergence efforts with state governments under a project with ATMA to develop 2 lakh hectares of rubber plantations from 2021 to 2026, of which 1.8 lakh hectares have already been planted by 2025. Officials also highlighted In-Road project in Manipur, under which 6,534.41 hectares have been planted, benefiting 4,404 farmers between 2021 and 25. With suitable plantation areas identified in districts such as Chandil, Kamjong, Tegnopal, Tamenglong, Noni, Churachandpur, parts of Ukhrul, Kangpopi, Senapati, Thoubal, Kakching, Ferzol and Bishnupur. The team later visited Rubber Research Institute of India, RRII, toured its research facilities and International Havia Clone Museum, and concluded the day with a houseboat ride at Kumarakom to experience Kerala's backwater tourism and cultural heritage. Now moving on in the sports news. 8th Manipur Players Day Invitation Football Championship 2026 concluded today at Manipur University Football Ground, Kanchipur. The tournament, organized by Manipur Students Federation (MSF), saw participation from 6 teams representing MSF, DESAM, AIMS, KSA, AMSU and SUK. Manipur University Students Welfare Dean Professor C.H. Bohal, Manipur University Teachers Association President Dr. Ketramim Narayan, weightlifting coach L. Anita Chanu, Manipur University Students Union General Secretary Mayang Lambam Malimnganba, and several leaders of MSM, AMSU, DESAM, KSA, SUK and AIMS graced the closing function as the main dignitaries. Speaking at the function, Professor Ibohal emphasized the need to resolve the ongoing crisis in the state soon. He highlighted Manipur's excellence in sports, art and culture, which has brought global recognition to the state. Stressing that sports promote health and vibrancy, he expressed confidence that the state will prosper if youths are diverted from drugs and are engaged in sports.
Manipur se exhibida sana kona ba amadi art and culture gi lam da su pagi mangjin thaba masang naiba mayam na khangna ba raija mo oi banina hai ri bafsil sida khare he na makha dar pada ai tungda la kada ba sahi sing da su yanu kuchel siang na sanghin bagi tangai phada bu lai apun bagi oi ba Manipur gi lisang sina chatharak ba economy da aduga political gi lam da hiram khudimakta governance ta share tokduna lakwa haijaba tai community mayam ama leiba aduga mafam sida ekhona tung koina chatha hoboda Manipur gi apunbagi saktam siamat to oina dom matam supagi ona lehongna bohona bada haugalaiba narol sina mairoi lob sina su koigi hiram khudimakta makoigi activity tu to matamda maru oina mosuna su madugi pangthokko matamda amato oina yam inclusive oiba way amada changsin bagi tangai phadabadu lai.
A team of 28 players and 4 officials from Manipur was flagged off today from Kuman Lampal to take part in Khelo India Asmita Kickboxing Zonal League 2025-26 East Zone. The team, participating under the aegis of United Association of Kickboxing Organization Manipur, was flagged off by Director of Youth Affairs and Sports, Dr. Mayingbam Vito, and BJP Manipur Pradesh General Secretary Administration, Langpuklakpam Deveng. Speaking on the occasion, Association's General Secretary, Yingbam Bedik, stated that the league will be organized by Waku India Kickboxing Federation from February 26 to March 1 at Radha Siliguri in West Bengal. And in the weather report, according to ICAR Regional Center Imphal, the state's maximum temperature was recorded at 27 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 10.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 83% in the morning and 32% in the evening. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at headlines once again. Combined team of security forces, Forest Department along with Executive Magistrate destroy approximately 8 acres of poppy plantations at Sadim Hill Range under Senapati Police Station. And Commandant of CRPF Lounging Group Center, Namirapam Kundurani, emphasizes on importance of health, reiterating age-old phrase, health is wealth. Now that's all we have for today's afternoon English news. Thank you for watching SKTV and keep watching for more news and updates. Have a good day.